When you feel like giving up, don't. When you're thinking about giving up, don't. When it looks like you ain't gonna make it, keep going. And when they tell you you can't, come on, man, who are they? When they tell you you're not gonna make it, don't believe them, man. Don't believe them. You've got to be relentless. Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused. Quitting guarantees the failure. Once you quit, it rules out any chance of succeeding. Just waking up every day, putting the next foot in front of the next foot, at least keeps you in the game. But you can choose, in the midst of everything that's going on, to be happy in spite of life's challenges. You see, a lot of us, because of our limited vision of ourselves, a lot of us start focusing on problems, and we let those problems overwhelm us. We begin to think we have no options. We begin to believe that there's no way out. Well, guess what? There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. We have two primary choices in life. We can either accept conditions as they exist, or we can take the responsibility to change them. See, a lot of people want to exempt themselves from responsibility. All they want to do is talk about the problem. Every time you see them, they'll tell you their story over and over and over and over again. No. You want to take responsibility for your life. I got me here. I can get me out of this. And I'm getting out. I'm not going to be a volunteer victim. I'm unstoppable. This will not get me down. You've got to make those declarations to yourself. I have never met anybody who became incredibly successful in any area of their life until they had suffered and sweated and sacrificed and kept their focus and fought through tears and trials and tests. And if you have a dream and you commit to it, it will come to pass. But you must have patience, and you must engage in consistent action. We live in a world, ladies and gentlemen, where people want instant gratification. They want it right now. No, it's simple, but it's not easy. It's a system, and if you work the system, it works if you work it. But make no mistake about it, it's hard. You are the determining factor. The people who make it in this world look around for the circumstances they want, and if they can't find them, they create them. It's you that must take personal responsibility to make it happen. It's hard. No easy. It's not an option. However, ladies and gentlemen, what you will discover is that it's worth it. Write down 5 reasons why it's worth it for you to become a diamond, to reach that level of achievement. What is it that gives you the drive? What is it that ignites the courage in you to get up and come back again and again and again? What reasons can tap into that deep down feeling, that gut level fire that no matter how many times you get knocked down, you're coming back? Listen to me. This is how you do it. 6, 7 years ago, with no money, no human resources, no building, no funding, no support, the first thing we did was we dreamed. We wrote the dream down. We rehearsed the dream. We looked at the dream. We talked about the dream. We slept with the dream. We woke up to the dream. We wore the dream. And now, boom, it's our reality. And some of you stop dreaming. You dream for a week and then you stop because things around you don't look good. You dream for a month, then you get hit in the mouth and you quit, you give up. You dream for a while, and when people call you crazy, when they call you stupid, when they tell you it can never be done, you stop dreaming and you go back to normal. And I dare you to use your imagination. I dare you when you're broke to use your imagination. I dare you when you're rich to use your imagination. I dare you under every single circumstance, keep dreaming. Keep looking at your dream. Keep focusing on your dream. Keep going after the dream, because that's where true success is.